Thank you for watching my video. This is AYANA GOHAN. Today, I will make Shogayaki. It's very popular in Japan, so let's get started. First, I introduce the ingredients of Shogayaki. This is pork Boston butt. You can choose pork loin, and I add onion today. It's more healthy, so I added. Its necessary ingredient of Shogayaki is ginger. I will grind it and put seasonings. These are main ingredients, but in Japan, it's popular side dish, shred cabbage. It's very delicious with Shogayaki, so I recommend it. Let's cut it. I cut the core of cabbage. You can use the core thinly sliced. It's easy to cut. Roll it up. And after that, put this in a cold water. It helps to be the cabbage crispy. So I think it's more delicious. Today, I want to remove the skin. Sometimes I use it not to remove the skin, but today I want to make Shogayaki for good texture. So that's why I removed the skin. Very easy to weigh. Here with the spoon. Grate the ginger. If fiber comes out, the texture is not good, so I grate the ginger gently. I finish grate the ginger and I prepare the seasoning with ginger. It helps me to not to hurry up when frying and mix well. First, some sugar, soy sauce, and sake. And mirin. Add the ginger and mix well. Okay, I prepared all ingredients. You can make it short time. Once the onion becomes golden brown, stop the heat and remove them. So spread and fry. Add the seasoning. And heat it up, cooking down the sauce and flipping over. I serve the side dishes and Shogayaki. The shredded cabbage is very delicious. They are good combination of Shogayaki. Japanese love it. Mayonnaise is good combination. I finished to cook, so I eat them. いただきます。The pork is very soft and the ginger is good flavor. It's short time to cook. I can take lot of nutrient. For example, onion and cabbage and tomato. The savory sauce are good well. I recommend it. Thank you for watching my video. I make Japanese food and healthy food. So if you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.